Hey everyone, if Mint Mobile isn't receiving group text, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it fast. Let's jump in. Why Mint Mobile not getting group text? MMS messaging might be disabled in the phone's messaging settings. Network connectivity issues can disrupt group messaging. Software glitches or corrupted cache data in the messaging app. Device specific issues, including outdated firmware or unaddressed bugs, can affect group messaging functionality. Mint Mobile's reliance on T Mobile's network infrastructure may lead to occasional service disruption affecting MMS and SMS. Fix one restart RCS feature. Open Google Messages, tap on three-line icon at the top right of the screen. Go to settings, click RCS, chat, toggle it off. Wait for a few seconds and toggle it on. If senders don't enable the RCS feature, you may not send MMS or SMS. Fix 2. Deregister old device. If you have changed to mobile recently and RCS is not working, the feature may be activated in old mobile. Sometimes Google Message does not work properly if it doesn't recognize the device. For Android, go to Google Deregister tool page, enter a 10-digit phone number, enter 6-digit verification code, click verify button to register it. For iPhone, if you have used iMessage before, go to deregister iMessage page. Enter your phone number and code from the image. Click send code, enter the received confirmation code, click submit to deregister iMessage from old device. Fix 3. Update APN settings. Updating APN settings can help resolve group texting issues by ensuring the correct configuration for MMS, which is a multimedia messaging service which is required for group text involving non-iMessage users. Mint Mobile APN settings. Name Mint APN Wholesale MMSC http wholesale.mmmsmvno.com/mms/wapnc Multimedia Message Port 8080 APN Type Default Supple MMS-IA APN Protocol IPv4 or IPv6 APN Roaming Protocol IPv4 or IPv6 MVNO Type GID MVNO Value 756T On Android, open settings, go to network and internet or connections, varies by device, then go to mobile network, select the SIM access point name, tap the plus add button to create a new APN, save the APN and enable it. Open settings, mobile data network or cellular data network, go to APN, enter APN details, select done to save settings, then restart your phone. Fix 4. Clear cache memory. Removing old or unnecessary cache files ensures the app runs smoothly without glitches or delays in processing group text. On Android, open settings, go to app and notifications or apps, then see all apps and find messages. Tap on messages, select storage and cache, tap clear cache, then clear storage if needed. On iOS, you cannot clear cache directly on iOS. Hold the app icon, select remove app, tap delete app, reinstall the app from the App Store to reset its cache and storage. Fix 5. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings clear misconfigured network data, reconnect to carrier services, and ensure MMS required for group text is properly routed through the carrier network. On Android, open settings, tap on system or general management varies by device, select reset option or reset, tap reset network settings, confirm and restart your device. On iOS, open the settings app, go to general, transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset, then choose reset network settings, enter your passcode and confirm. Fix 6. Turn on mobile data. Sometimes the group message work with mobile data instead the Wi-Fi. If you are using Wi-Fi, turn it off and turn on mobile data. Swipe down quick settings or control center. Turn off Wi-Fi icon, turn on mobile data. Fix 7. Use Google Messages. Mint Mobile limits group text to 10 recipients when using certain apps. Switching to Google Messages can bypass this limitation. Switch to Google Messages, which works better with Mint Mobile for group text. It bypasses limitations like splitting group text into individual messages and allows more than 10 recipients. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.